I'm going to try and get Emma to say her
Emma.
words.
What's this?
Apple.
That's right. Good job. Apple. What is that? Ball.
Oh, good job.
Ball. Cat. You don't know that one. What's that?
Duck.
What is this? A duck? It's a dog. A dog? The book says it. What else is in here? Ooh.
Yeah, Evan can say duck.
Flower, that's your favorite. And a boat. Shoes. What's that? What's it? It's an apple.
Yeah.
Oh. What else do you say?
He say apple, that's right. He say daddy. Daddy.
Daddy.
Emma, he say mama.
Dada? Emma.
Mama. Emma, he say mama.
Say Emma. Emma. Apple.
Apple, that's a
I
flower.
like apple. Apple.
Right.
Daddy. Hey Emma, what's this? Is your eye? Eye, that's right. Good job. Eye.
Where's your eye? That's your eye. Good job. Eye. Eye. Where's your nose?
No.
You point to your nose.
Yeah, kinda.
Nose. Is that your ear? Ear.
You're on the wrong side.
Ear. Good job. Where's your tummy? Tummy, 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 tummy. Tummy, tummy, tummy. There it is. I see it. Evan, are you going to show me your tummy?
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Emma.
Uh-oh.
Evan, you say dada.
We say dada?
Dada? No.
Do it right now.
Daddy.
We say dad.
Dada.
Dada? Dada. Well, Emma will say it.
There you
Oh,
go.
there's your tummy. Tummy, tummy, tummy. I see your tummy. You dancing? Tummy, tummy. Dancing? Dancing, dancing. We don't have the whistles on. What are you doing, Emma?
Playing.
Dada? Evan, where's Dada? Dada? Yeah, he's over there.
Hi.
You say Dada? Dada.
Emma. Oh, Emma.